Enzo Anselmo Ferrari was born on February 20th, 1898, in Modena, Italy. He grew up in a modest household where his father, Alfredo Ferrari, ran a small metalworking business. From a young age, Enzo was fascinated by machines and engines, but it was a life-changing experience at the age of 10 that truly sparked his passion for automobiles. His father took him to watch a car race in Bologna, and from that moment, young Enzo knew that he wanted to be a part of the automotive world. However, life had many challenges in store for him before he could realize his dreams. During World War I, tragedy struck the Ferrari family. Both his father and older brother Dino passed away due to illness, leaving Enzo and his mother in a difficult financial situation. Forced to leave school and take on work, he found a job as a metalworker and later served in the Italian army. However, after falling seriously ill during the war, he was discharged and returned home to rebuild his life. Struggling to find his place in the world, he sought opportunities in the automotive industry, hoping to turn his childhood passion into a career. In 1919, Enzo secured a job as a test driver for a small Italian car manufacturer called Costruzioni Meccaniche Nazionali, CMN. His talent behind the wheel quickly became evident, and he transitioned into racing. That same year, he competed in his first race, the Parma Poggio di Berceto hill climb, where he finished a respectable 4th place. His performance caught the attention of Alfa Romeo, one of the leading car manufacturers in Italy at the time. In 1920, he joined Alfa Romeo as a racing driver, marking the beginning of a long and fruitful relationship with the company. As a racer, Enzo Ferrari achieved moderate success, but his true calling was not on the track. It was in managing and developing race cars. By the mid-1920s, he had shifted his focus towards the business and engineering side of racing. In 1929, he founded Scuderia Ferrari, a racing team that operated as Alfa Romeo's official racing division. Under his leadership, Scuderia Ferrari became a dominant force in Italian motorsports, fielding some of the best drivers of the era and achieving numerous victories. However, in 1939, Enzo's relationship with Alfa Romeo took a dramatic turn. The company decided to take direct control of its racing operations, effectively pushing Enzo out. As part of his departure agreement, he was forbidden from using the Ferrari name in any racing activities for the next 4 years. Determined to carve his own path, he established Autoavio Costruzioni in Modena, a company that initially focused on producing machine tools and aircraft parts due to wartime restrictions. But Enzo never abandoned his dream of building his own cars. In 1947, after the end of World War II, Ferrari officially debuted as an independent car manufacturer. The first car to bear his name, the Ferrari 125S, was built in Maranello, where the company's headquarters remain to this day. The car featured a powerful V12 engine designed by Gioacchino Colombo, setting the foundation for Ferrari's future as a high-performance automobile manufacturer. The 125S made its racing debut at the Piacenza circuit, and although it did not win its first race, it soon proved its capabilities by securing Ferrari's first victory at the Rome Grand Prix later that year. With his company now established, Enzo Ferrari was determined to create the best racing cars in the world. He focused on developing powerful, innovative machines that could dominate on the track. Throughout the late 1940s and 1950s, Ferrari grew rapidly, securing multiple victories in prestigious competitions such as the Mille Miglia, the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and the Formula One World Championship. Ferrari's commitment to excellence and cutting-edge engineering set it apart from its competitors, attracting wealthy clients and passionate enthusiasts who wanted to own a piece of the legendary brand. Despite his success, Enzo Ferrari was known for his strict and sometimes ruthless management style. He demanded perfection from his engineers, mechanics, and drivers. Many of Ferrari's racing drivers, including legends like Alberto Ascari and Juan Manuel Fangio, pushed themselves to the limit under his leadership. However, this pursuit of excellence also came with tragedy. Several Ferrari drivers lost their lives in racing accidents, which deeply affected Enzo, though he remained unwavering in his mission to build the best racing cars in the world. Ferrari's dominance in motorsports continued into the 1960s and 1970s. The company became synonymous with speed, luxury, and exclusivity. Ferrari road cars, inspired by their racing counterparts, became highly sought after by celebrities, royalty, and automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Models like the Ferrari 250 GTO and the Ferrari Testarossa became icons of automotive history, representing the pinnacle of performance and design. However, financial difficulties arose in the late 1960s, forcing Enzo Ferrari to seek external investment. In 1969, he struck a deal with Fiat, selling 50% of Ferrari's shares to the Italian automobile giant. This partnership provided the company with much-needed stability, while allowing Enzo to retain control over Ferrari's racing division. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Ferrari continued to dominate in Formula One, producing some of the most legendary cars and drivers in the sport's history. One of the most famous legends surrounding Ferrari involves his rivalry with Ferruccio Lamborghini. According to the popular story, Lamborghini, a manufacturer of tractors and a Ferrari owner himself, complained to Enzo about the poor quality of Ferrari's clutches. Enzo allegedly dismissed him, saying, "You stick to tractors, and I'll stick to cars." Angered by this response, Lamborghini decided to create his own line of high-performance sports cars, leading to the birth of the Lamborghini brand. Though the exact details of this exchange are debated, it remains one of the most iconic rivalries in automotive history. Enzo Ferrari passed away on August 14th, 1988, at the age of 90. Just weeks after his death, Ferrari secured a legendary 1-2 victory at the Italian Grand Prix, a fitting tribute to the man who had revolutionized the world of motorsports. Though he was gone, his legacy continued to thrive. Today, Ferrari remains one of the most prestigious and recognizable brands in the world, producing some of the most advanced supercars and continuing to compete at the highest levels of motorsport. Beyond racing and car manufacturing, Ferrari has also expanded into the world of luxury and entertainment. Ferrari-themed amusement parks, such as Ferrari World Abu Dhabi and Ferrari Land in Spain, attract millions of visitors each year, offering thrilling rides and experiences that celebrate the brand's rich history. Ferrari's influence extends beyond the automotive world, with exclusive fashion collections, high-end accessories, and collaborations with luxury brands. Enzo Ferrari's story is one of determination, passion and an unrelenting pursuit of excellence. From humble beginnings to creating one of the most powerful brands in history, his journey serves as an inspiration to dreamers and innovators around the world. Ferrari is not just a car manufacturer, it is a symbol of what is possible when vision meets perseverance. Enzo Ferrari built more than cars. He built a legacy that will endure for generations to come. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more fascinating tales while improving your English, make sure to subscribe to Lingoverse. Here, we bring you inspiring biographies and captivating stories that help you learn effortlessly. Don't forget to like the video and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you in the next story.